Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying account permissions and phone provisioning so calls actually go out. Once that's confirmed, import your CSV with clean headers. First, last, phone, because bad data wastes minutes. Next, create a campaign and upload the lead list. Choose a dialing mode. Preview if you need control, power for balanced throughput, auto for maximum volume. Make sure to save campaign settings and assign agents immediately, then move directly into configuration of call flows. Once done with lists, configure the dialer core. Set ring timeout, retry logic, business hours, and the correct caller ID so answer rates improve. Then upload your agent scripts and assign templates. Use dynamic tokens like first to personalize each call for higher connection quality. Next, adjust pacing, concurrent calls, lead retries, and agent wrap-up time to balance agent availability versus contact rate. Test with a small batch to confirm voice prompts and screen pop behavior. You launch with a staged rollout. Start with 5 to 10% of the list so metrics are meaningful but risks are limited. Monitor dashboards for live call status, agent activity, connection, and drop rates. Analyze dispositions and average handle time to iterate. If problems appear, stalls, no audio, or low connections, check carrier/SIP status, account permission scopes, and CSV integrity immediately. Finally, scale gradually and retest after each change to prevent widespread disruptions and maintain predictable outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.